In this tutorial I will show you that how to make text effect in Photoshop. So first click on the file and press new. It must be 1280 and 720p. Black the background color by pressing Ctrl plus backspace. Now take the text tool and type effect. I used Bebas Neue font, its link in description. Click Rasterize type. Select gradient and press Ctrl by clicking the layer picture to make selection. Drag it to make gradient and press Ctrl plus D to remove selection. Duplicate this layer. Click on the new to make new layer. Now go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Select Blending Mode to Color Dodge. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Take the brush. I have already downloaded this brush, its link in description. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.